Okay, it looks like we're live, so welcome back. I'm going to be continuing to work on the compiler. So I will put the GitHub code in the chat in case anyone's interested. Alright, so I've done some work since the last stream. So if I open the test file, so now while loops are mostly working. There's some problems with it, but I'll get into that. I also added less than and greater. So let's do while I is less than 1, and then x equals x plus 1. And then we'll just exit with x, and it should be, let me build it all. Whoops. And x is with 12. Alright, I know. I did this completely backwards. Alright, and get stuck in an infinite loop. Alright. Something will work. Alright, I swear stuff was working earlier. But basically, I want to be able to debug this a little bit better. So I'm gonna add write. So basically, so that we can write to the console, and then we can see more what is going on. So we'll have something like this. Trudeau, thank you for following. Alright, so obviously we'll have the strings. So yeah, you can just print whatever you want, and then you'll put the length of the string. So like 5, right? So that's basically what I want to do. So let me see. Let me get rid of all of this. And then, so let's get this working with the Lexer. Which should be fairly easy. So, whoops. Alright, let's see here. So if I go down into here. Alright, so what do we need to test for? We need to generate, well, let's do the write first. So that is going to be a keyword. So here, we'll put it right here. Else if write. Whoops, messed that up. Okay. Then token type is keyword, and token value equals write. Maybe it would be better up. It doesn't matter. Alright, so right. So now, so we already have the parentheses. So now we need the comma, and then we'll work on the string. So the comma is going to be super easy. That's going to be a separator. I think it makes sense to put it right here. And also, I realized I could have used a switch statement for this, since they're not strings, but I didn't do that, so I'm not going to change it now, but yeah. Okay. Current index. Alright, then token, I can grab all this. Okay. Yeah. And that's all the same. So now, that should work. Actually, let me change the main.c file, so we're only doing the Lexer. Yeah, let me just comment all this out. Alright, and let's build it now. Whoops, that's wrong. Okay, and we should have, oh shoot. I'm not sure why. I'm not sure why it's running the whole thing. Let me see. This is very strange. Let me see. Exit. Alright, let me open. Okay, now let's build it. Oh, okay. So I need to move this up a little. Alright, so I didn't see there was errors. That's what the problem was. I'm just stupid. Alright, expected. Alright, token type keyword. Token type is oh, whoops, I didn't put the equal sign. That's pretty important, actually. Alright, build.sh. Alright, so now. Alright. Okay, we got right, and we got the comma. Okay. So now we need to check when it is equal to let's see, when it's equal to a, what's it called, a double quote. Yeah, I'm just blanking. Alright, well, equal to this, right? The string thing. And then we need to basically generate the string from there. So that can be, that'll be the first thing that we do here, because we don't want to check this one, because then it causes problems. So we'll do else if current index equals double quotes. Okay. Then we want to do token equals generate string token current index, and well, it's just gonna be a string. So we're adding a new type string. And then index plus. Alright, so let's make that function. So generate string token. I'll put it up here. Token generate string token. Alright, so we're taking the current and the current index. Okay. So will token equals melon. So then what we need to do is while the current character is not, while current index is not equal that, well, yeah, alright, we can do current index plus plus, so that, because it's, or else it'd detect the first one. And we'll actually do also char value equals malloc size of char times 64, sure. And then we'll do we'll also do int value index equals 0. Value equals value equals value index. Have to check that. Equals value current index. There we go. Okay, and then we'll do value index plus plus and current index plus plus. Actually, we do have to dereference this. Yeah. So we can't do, we gotta do plus equals 1. Dereference with the star. We have to do that within here as well. And right up here. Okay. And then at the end, let's see. Alright, so then we should be able to do token type equals string. Whoops. Token value equals value. And then return token. Alright, and so I need to add up here, I need to add string, which is gonna serve some errors because we have this, and we also have it in the parser. So I'm gonna take care of that. But This should actually go probably in here. Okay, and break. Alright, now. Alright, so we have some problem. Alright, yeah. Generate. Whoops. String token. Alright, next. And so we don't need to pass this here. Okay, and let's see. Current index. Alright, yeah. That is plus equals 1. There we go. Alright, process build. Okay, so it didn't work. So let's find out why that happened. Let me see. Let's just print f. Current is %c. Current index. And we'll just see what it says. Alright, print. Alright, so that's everything that's in there. So let's see. Token. Nope, that's not it. Nope. Yes. Okay. Alright, so we do all that. Then we only get the write and the open token. So I did something wrong. Let's see. Let's compare it to this one. So we do that. Token. Keyword index. Maybe I actually need to do that. Let's do value index equals that. Alright, let's see. Now, no, it still doesn't work. So why does it just stop? Token, and we'll do token value. See what that says. Alright, so we get the value, but it stops. Okay. I might need to iterate it one more time. No. Alright, let's see. This is very strange. Alright, let's print that. Current is, alright, so after everything, current index. And let's see what it is at the end. Alright, so the current is that. So we do want to iterate it one more. So what if we do current index plus equals 1? Alright, then the current is the comma. Actually, I don't think we have to do that because we do that down here, right? Yeah, current index plus plus. Okay, so let me get rid of that. Alright, and let's go down here. So let's see if we ever get to this. See if it's running it and it's not being saved, or... Alright, yeah, so it is. Let's see, did I mess something up in here, perhaps? String type. Alright, well let's print the token value each time. Token value is %s token value. Well, let's see. Value is null. What is this null after? Okay, the white space is null. Oh, okay, because it's not generating here. So that's okay. So we are going through the whole thing, but they're just not being added. So let's see here. Let's comment this out. Why is that? Okay. So what's the issue? Let me see. Is that still commented? Perhaps I messing up here. Token? No? This is stumping me. Print. So why does it break there? We don't need to do that. If I get rid of this, what happens? Alright, well then we get a return. Alright. Size T zoo. Alright, so it grows. Oh shoot, did I forget? No, that. Huh. So if I just get rid of this entirely, this one, this, whoops, and get rid of that. Okay. Then it, well, it doesn't work now. Wait, what doesn't work? Why does it say false? So did I change something that broke it a lot? Quit out of that. Let me open a new terminal. Git diff. Okay, case string. Are we added the string? Perhaps I messed up in there. Else if it is right. It doesn't look wrong. Right, we can go through. And I'll be right back. Break for a second. Just for a minute. Okay, I am back now. Alright, so let's see, what? Oh shoot, did I? Okay, so I moved that. Alright, yeah, we don't have to print the current ticket. And yeah, we moved that down. That doesn't really matter. What else? Right. So I don't understand why it decides to not work now. Alright, does it work if I get rid of this? No. Okay. What happened? Holy moly. Okay. What has happened? Did I mess up somewhere with tokens index? Let's see. Tokens index. See, that all looks right to me. Okay, let me quit out of this. Okay, so what case string? I added the case for that. Perhaps it is. Okay, yeah, I need to add it here. Actually, I don't even I don't need to define it like this in both of them. I can just include it in there. Yeah, so that's probably what the problem is. Yeah. Okay, so that's just what the problem was. Yeah. Alright, so let's add this back. String token. And yeah. Okay, let's see. Now I need to handle that in the switch, but that's okay. Oh yeah, I need to add it back also here. So right. So what's the name of your language? It is unnamed lang. I see. To Sodium? Wait, oh shoot. Good name, thank you. Wait, you're the real? I'm not sure how to pronounce it. T-Soding? To-Soding? That is very cool. Good name, yes. Well, I thought... I thought for a long time to come up with that name. Okay, it should work now, though. Alright, print is the string. Yes, alright, that looks good. So, pod. So now, now I need to do the Lexer. Okay, actually, no. I don't want to generate it yet. Let's open the Parser. That's what I meant, not Lexer. I did the Lexer. Okay, I'm gonna zoom out a little. I don't like, yeah. I'm usually zoomed way out when I'm not streaming, but it makes it harder to see. So, there's a big mess in here. So first we need to check if it's a keyword, which we're doing here. Okay, sorry about that, I'm back. Okay, yeah, so we can just check. This can be else here. Okay, and we'll do that here as well. Else if is right. Handle right node. Alright, so let's make that a function now. What did I pass? Current token and node of code. So first, so we know that it is the right token. So we need to create a node for that. Current token. Okay, and let's actually do right node. It's not. Okay, and then we should have the right node. Not the right node, but the right node. But it is the right node. Alright, and then we don't need the parentheses. Well, yeah, we shouldn't need that. Then we just need to get the string and a semicolon. And the value, I mean, not a semicolon. So the left will be the string, and the right can be the... So all we can take is a string, and then the length. So we don't need to worry about other stuff. So let's do current token plus plus. And then we need to make sure it is the open parentheses. So in the token errors, error expected that. And whoops. Okay. What else do we pass to this? I don't remember. Let me see. Handle token. There it is. Okay, current token and then expected type. So let me go to the bottom. Separated. Okay. Okay, and then current token plus plus, because, yeah. Alright, then, handle token error, expected string, literal. So actually, I need to handle that in the switch state. T-soding followed. Thank you very much. That's really cool. I watch your streams often, mostly on YouTube though. Thank you very much. Okay. So no, we need the others. No. Oh yeah. So we need to handle that in here. Case string goes under here. Great. Okay. So yeah. Let me go to this function. Okay, yeah. I thought that was a switch statement, but it is not. Okay. So now that it's the string, we want to create node string node. And then string node equals init node string node value and current token type. Okay. Actually, let's do current equals right node here. Actually, current left equals right node. I think that is. We need to do that. And then we can do current left equals right node duplicate define. Oh shoot, you're right. Thank you very much for catching that. Appreciate it. Okay, so we set the left to that. Let's see. then catching compilation errors. See, that's the thing with the language I'm making. I'm hardly handling any errors, so you have to catch the compilation errors yourself. Current token plus X. I think we can do that now. Alright, yeah. And then, so this should be a comma. So, just like Holy See, Pog, the best language. Expected, comma. Alright, and separator. Okay, and then current token plus plus. I don't think we need a node for that. Let's see. So now, after that we have the integer. So node, number node, null. Okay, and then we want to say current right equals number node. I think, yeah, and then we'll handle that. And then that should be. Now we have this closing parentheses. Error expected. Separate. Okay. Here, I'll change the comma for consistency, which is the most important thing. And then you can do current token plus plus. And then okay, and then so that should be close parentheses. Okay, so the semicolon now, I might need to change this. So I have, I've been building this, and I had no idea anything about compilers or anything like that when I started. So I made did some weird things with it. So actually I need to change this. So let's set, let me see how we're gonna set it. So this needs to be the right of the, actually maybe we could do just, whoops. Let's see, number node right equals semicolon. So let's do node semicolon equals node. Okay. And then we want to say current equals semicolon. So now let's try that. Alright. Okay, and I missed. Whoops. There we go. Okay. Control. Okay, I have to return to. Okay. Unused variable text. Oh yeah, because that is, yeah, that's just from the comma. But now it should generate the tree. Expected string. Okay. Okay. Let's see. So we have the open parentheses. Token type is string. That is very interesting. So why? Let me print an f current token value. Mr. Sleazy McSteez followed. Thank you very much. Very cool. Sleazy McSteez. Okay. Print. Okay. I can't just do that actually. That doesn't work. Okay, print is a string. Ahem. Steezy. Wait, did I say it wrong? Oh, okay, I said sleazy. My bad. My bad. I'm not very good at reading. Okay, why? Did I pass the wrong thing? Let me go to the function. Always forget the semicolon. That's the wrong file. Okay. So the current token type is not string, but it is there. This is a big file. Right. That is very strange. So why? My computer fan is revving up. Why is that not string? Okay. Expected string. Whoops. Okay. Thought that was my fan. My microphone is actually right next to my computer, so that makes it extra loud. So I apologize for that. I can't move it. So there's a problem with this. Current dedicated fan mic equals. I can move it away a little. So what? Okay, let me see what I set it to in here. So when in here. Yeah, so generate string token. So I set the type equal. Nah, it's alright, don't worry. I set the type equal to string. Wait, do I have it in the wrong order, perhaps? Yes. Okay, that's what the problem is. It's because, yeah, I need to fix that anyway. The header file. Actually, that's not gonna work. Now this should work though. Okay, now it works. So that was just problem with me being bad at programming. Okay, now we are parsing it, hopefully correctly. Let's make sure we can change it and everything doesn't break. Hello world. So then it's like 14 or something. And that works. Actually, I'm not gonna do the new line. Okay, hello world. So now in assembly, I have generated dot. So in here, to write, so let's see, when I move RAX 1, because 1 is the system call number for, right, and let me see, I don't actually, yeah, so then up here we can do section.data, we can do text, db, I think, hello world, and I think we just put 0 or 10. 10 is new line, I think. And then we do, which one do we move it into? Let me Linux syscalls. This one, it's gonna be light, so apologize for that. Yeah, right. Okay, RSI. RDX is I think that is right. Okay, so that is correct. Yo, the legendary Chromium OS table of syscalls. Yes. I don't think it's a dark mode though. So okay, so now we should be able to change this. And how many characters is that? 12. And then that should work. Oops, I gotta build it again. Yes, okay. The new line, oh, because you have to include the new line, right? Okay, yes. I use it today. We used it, oh, in the assembly one. Yeah, I didn't watch that one today. Oh shoot. Whoops. Okay. So that's what we need to do. But I'm not the way I'm gonna do it. So what we can do is section data. Don't worry, I didn't watch it either. Yeah, I'm gonna do it like this. And then I can just use section.text again, and it continues from there. So then, I think that still works. Yeah, that still works. So, just to make sure, hello world. Yeah, so I can do that, and then that makes it simpler to generate. So, let's do that. Let's see. Alright, so let's open generator. No, that's not right. Code generator. And in here, it's a bit of a mess. Let's see. So let's go all the way down to the bottom. And let me see. So when we encounter the right node, so I'll handle that up here. Let's see. Alright, in here, I can use Lexer. Maybe that can't be. Let me see. Where is that? Yeah, that's right. and this is for, yeah. Okay, it's actually very confusing to read. Don't see it. Okay, right here. That's not right. Node value is right. Then let's just start with printing right, and then a bunch of new lines. And let's make sure it works. Okay. Take it twice. I'll fix that. Okay. So what do we want to do? Yeah. So we know that the left is the string. And so let's start with let's see, what did I don't have it anymore actually. Yeah, it is section.data. And so I'll add the labels for it after, but for now we can just do text db, and then we need to do that. So you got the Lexer and Parser to create an NST, and now you're working on the code generator to translate the syntax tree to assembly. Yes, that is. Well, so I have it working with some other, like, so you can do, this works right now. While loops kind of work. If statements work. And then also variables. So like only integer variables, but yeah. So basically this is the this is the tree that it generates, right? So there's the main one is the program, and then to the left of that there's the right, and then one indent means it's to the left of whatever is right. So this would be to the left of this node, and this is to the right of this one, and this is to the right, and then it all branches out from the semicolon, which, yeah. So it's not all like done the best way necessarily, because the right side of the root node isn't even used at all, but as long as it works. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Yes, I'm running the code generator to generate the assembly. Yes. Okay. I need to insert that. Backslash is always confused me. How do I do it? Double backslash. Okay, well, hang on. So what else? Let me just remember what I need. So section.data, and then text db, and I'll just automatically put a new one. Very cool. Thanks for explaining. Yes, yes indeed. Okay. So that is what I need to do. So we'll put the string data in here. So that's going to be a string actually. And then we have just text. So we'll automatically put the new line at the end. So now I need to put quotations around this. Let's see. Quotes in, quotes in C. Alright, Okay, so I need to do. Does this work? Because it messes me up with the syntax highlight. Will that work? Or does it have to go after it or before it? Yeah, before it looks like. So like this. I think that is right. So then, and then here we want to do node left value. Alright, let me see if it did that. Section not data. Hello world. Yeah, okay, I forgot the new line, but that did work. Okay, and then what comes after that? So then we need to move RAX 1. No, I need to do move RAX 1 like that. Okay. So then we need to move, let's see, which register was it? Okay. So RSI is the buffer, and then the count is RDX. So let's do move RDX, node right value. Okay, and then move RSI. Let's see, actually, I think. And I want to move text. I think that is how I did it. Yes, I think so. Let me save this. Okay. Shoot, that's the wrong file. No, that's the right file. Oh yeah, I'm down here. Okay. Let me do that. So then we need to do syscall. Okay, and let's see. Whoops. Okay, and oh yeah, I need to provide the file to this as well. I think the file was last. Okay, let's see now. Alright, so it's not working, but... Oh, I forgot the new line. Let me just see if this works, though. I think that is correct. No. Wait. Oh, shit, I forgot to set the section back to the correct one. This needs a new line. Okay. So now, alright, let me fix this. I can't do that. Alright, let's see. Hello world. Okay. And I should be able to change this. So we can do, let's see, what's something funny? Funny is pretty funny. 6. Then funny. Okay. And it should hopefully work. I don't know how many that is. 9. Oh. Funny number. Okay. Oh yeah. Text. So the text label, I think I can just increment that each time. So basically, I can do text, text %b, and shoot, no, that's not good. So I can do actually, let's see, I need to remember how to do this. Text %d, and then also just text rate. And then up here, I can just add on to this text label. Alright, and then back here. Okay, yeah, right here. Text label, and then you can do text label plus plus. Okay, text was declared here. Oh yeah, well I should probably okay. Probably using it here. Let me do. I always forget. Let's see. So yes. Okay, I need to put the text first. Okay. Now. Okay, and I still. Oh yeah, because I didn't even change this. Okay, now still didn't work. I passed it to the wrong thing. Shoot, actually I didn't, because I still need that there. But I also need up here. No. And I am stupid. Okay. So wait. Probably messed something up. Let me see, what is it actually generating? Alright, so it's not working. Oh shoot, okay, yeah, I need to actually I need to do it for this one up here as well. That is my bad. So this can be whoops. No, and I need to move this up here as well. Okay, now okay, printed them both, but they didn't both get the. Oh shoot, that is because I did not pass the right number. It's not funny number anymore, so let's change it. Okay, I've got yet to account for the new line. Okay, hopeful. Very nice. Now, should be able to use as many times as we want. Abba. Okay, so that is working. So now, let's see if the wall loop works. Which probably won't. Well, let's see, 2. Test. And 5. Alright, so let's see. It's probably going to get stuck in a loop. D-word? Okay, shoot. Yes, that's a bit of a problem. Okay, yeah, so that is one of the problems I was having. I'm going to manually change it just to see. Okay, so it prints it out once. It's kind of weird that it prints it out only once. Okay. So as you can see, things are working amazingly. Oh, what? I mean to do that actually. Yes. Okay. Segmentation fault. Okay. Uh-huh. So let's take a look. Now I can try something. Let me do build. Do you have what you need for Fibonacci, while loop, and integer variables? Well, yeah, I think the while loop, it doesn't exactly work, as you can see. Kind of works sometimes, sometimes not. Once I get it completely working, Fibonacci, and then actually the goal, like, for this has been to write phase buzz. So now I have the write, and then once the while loop's working properly, I could implement that. Yes, so Fibonacci, very close. Yeah, just need while loop working. Is FizzBuzz harder than Fibonacci because you need conditionals? I suppose. I have if statements that are working. Well, assuming they're still working. So like, if x equals 0, write 0. Okay, yeah, so, and if I put not equal, yeah, so the if statements are working, but yeah, so let me actually look at Fibonacci iterative. I forget what it looks like. Nice, so the main thing is the while loop, yeah. And it is mostly working. It's just an issue with when I'm tracking this stack, like the stack pointer or whatever. I have some problems with that. It's very close though. Iterative Fibonacci just need to be able to reassign the variables. That is another thing. Like, it doesn't exactly work. Sometimes it does, and it's same problem as with the while loops, right? So I can do x equals 1, and then if we return x here, it might work this time or it might not. Yeah, see, it doesn't. So it's it's with the stack, because I'm subtracting it wrong or whatever. So I need to kind of just work through that, and then it would work. So the reassigning variables, oh shoot, actually this might work if I do that, because that was working before. No, it still does. Alright, yeah. But you can see in here, if this was 8, I think. Yeah, I do that. 1. Yeah, see, so it's just a problem with that. It's just like an off by 1 thing, basically, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Alright, that's recursion. I just wanted to look at this. Yeah, so this could be done with the while loop. Yeah. And then FizzBuzz, it's very similar, basically. Just with the if statements. Okay. So I forgot where I was at now. So I was doing the while loop actually. Yeah, infinite loop. Okay. Yeah. But if we go in here, change this. So that might be actually the only reason the while loop is not working, is because of the variable reassignment. Whoops, I didn't mean to actually do that. Okay. Actually, that's not the whole reason, because it is an infinite loop. Foci. Perhaps that is not the correct pronunciation, but thank you for following. Okay, so yeah, get stuck in an infinite loop, and then segfault. So I can, yeah, I forgot I was going to do that. So if I build, I've been learning how to use debug as okay. We're learning how to use the GDB test. Okay, and let's do 2 and 8. Okay, and then if we do, I forget what it is. Time. Okay. All right. Let me see. How do you? I forget how to do it. What is the the flag thing that you set? Oh yes, it is B. Break. Okay, there we go. Now we can go through it. Oh yeah, I need to run. Okay, so we can look at the infinite loop. So where does it get stuck infinitely? Alright, and it goes back to the loop. Oh, and then it goes to the end actually. Okay, so it didn't get stuck infinitely. There is another problem. Let's see. So I messed something else up, like something with this or something. This is 8. Alright, so that was the problem, I suppose. That was not accessible? No? Oh. Well, now I'm kind of confused. I don't think I changed anything else. Okay. Oops. Let me see. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to stop for today. I will push it, even though it's not working, but commit added right syscall, however, while loop still, and reassignment still not working properly. I'm probably gonna go over it off stream because it's kind of just tedious stuff, debug stuff. And yeah, hopefully it's working by the next one, and then we're pretty close to FizzBuzz and stuff. Yeah, so I will push that. So that is up in case anybody is interested. Yes. Alright, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.